on an unrelated note, I wrote this song. It's about my favorite place on earth, which is my grandmother's house in Sweden. My mother is Swedish, and we go there in the summer. And to an Icelandic person, like basically anywhere else is magical. There's this crazy thing you have, trees. Yeah. Like just on the bus ride from the airport, like to the central station, I am just mind blown by the birches. It's just because there's a saying in Iceland: what do you do if you get lost in an Icelandic forest? Stand up. You heard this one, okay? Not do that one next week. Yeah, this song is also about the thing that we should talk about the most, but we talk about the least. It's also about death. When I am asked to meditate on some place that makes me feel safe, I think about my grandmother's house, her garden where there's butterflies, and in the forest just outside you can run into a squirrel or a hedgehog. And you know that's a big deal for me, 'cause you never see animals like that in Reykjavik. And if as above, so below, then all I need to know, how could anything be better than this? How could anything be better than this? Then I think about my sister's son and the last time I ever saw him run around my grandmother's house. Everything is different now that every memory is equal parts painful and beautiful. I have nightmares when the angels sleep, and it's so easy to never go outside in Reykjavik. And if as above, so below, then all I need to know, how could anything be worse than this? How could anything